Brace yourself, Mr. James. Here comes the only surviving relative and your favorite nephew, Joseph. Joseph.
Beefhead!
Uncle!
Uncle?
Uncle Lazarus.
Uncle Lazarus! Don't call me no Uncle Lazarus.
Yes, man. Cut out the uncle business.
You usually call me as a boy.
Sure, cut out the uncle business, man.
Yes, Mr. Uncle. Lazar. Call me Lazar. That is what you used to call me as a boy.
Yes, that was the name I was talking about while I was driving down here, man. Lazar.
But me never sure say Lazar. Would I appreciate it? What do you mean? Me used to call you Beefhead, and you used to call me Lazar. You remember? If me remember, how I could I forget a thing like that? Lazar and Beefhead.
That's right.
Your head still beefy? Eh? Your head beefy same way?
Yes, Mr. James. Even beefy I know.
My eyes not 100% no more, you know. Come and sit down by me, let me feel it, how it beefy. Yes. Beefy same way.
Especially when I back, yeah.
But hold on. You put on weight?
Yes.
A little.
But him not so healthy though. Him not eating right at all.
So how him so weighty?
Yes, man. Full up of gas.
Yeah. Gas. So gas. About your mother. Oh, she's fine. I was so sad to hear that she passed away. She was very fine before she passed on. Very fine. What about the funeral? How it was? What? Your mother's funeral. Sad, very sad. But everybody enjoyed themselves.
Yes. But, since his mother passed away, him don't live anywhere. Just walk up on the street. Nowhere to rest his beefy head.
You communicate with your chiefin, brother? No, sir. Him too thief. But he's your brother, man. You must make yourself receptive if him try to communicate with you. As a matter of fact, I dismember. I talked to him week before last. What? Yes. You talk to your brother? Oh, yes. What? What him say? Whole heap of foolishness. You talk to him long? Oh, one long time me talk to him on the phone. Phone? Yes. You talk to your brother on the phone? Of course. All the time. My God. These modern day dopey them catch on to the technology. Dopey?
Well, you know what? It's so them go on the spirit world now, Yes. I have a friend. Her husband dead about 5 years ago. And she talked to him about yesterday.
So, what him say?
Our husband?
No, your brother Beefhead. He tell me say, me must expect a special gift from a close family member. Yes. Something like that.
Yes.
Ever since that boy thief the 20 shilling off of my bureau, me never forgive him. 20 shilling. 20 shilling?
That is why they're rich.
So, how the eye? Oh, the eye, all right. Just like the eye. I thought you would lose that eye ever since the boy juke in it with the pencil. Yes, it was one hell of a juke him give me in my eye. As the stars, the Milky Way, and all of the consolation. Them should have held that boy. And you know, it's your right eye am juke me, not even the left one. Yes, and see that me is right-handed, I tend to use up the right eye more. Yes. I am telling you, man, I know sometimes it not get better too good, It's blurry. Poor fella. Oh, and you see, let me tell you now, I should go back to the doctor, but I'm telling you, man, the money thing beating me.
Yes, if you don't go look about that eye, I think you're going to lose it.
You mean after all this time, it's still trouble you? Well, anyway, that cool.
Yes. And like how you ever sit in a bus, they must have hell in the winter.
One hell of a time.
Why, it's a good thing to your granduncle find you, man.
Such a long time. You know, the last time I hear about you is when your wife passed on.
Oh, yes, poor soul. She just passed on.
Yes,
So.
when she passed on here, down the road, to ask me how I was a couple years back.
Yes, so sad. She just get up one day out of the house and say she going to go down the road. Passed on sudden.
So, she still look good?
Hey, yes, Lazar. You know, say me have good taste when it come to that.
You know, you always like them fat and round.
Yes, man. They're not fat and round, you know.
So it really surprised me that you married this mager one.
Well, Amy...
Mr. James, what about inheritance?
Way up.
Yes. You remember that Saturday night? You know, when we went crab hunting and we get lost in the swamp?
If I remember. How could I forget a thing like that? It was so fun.
That was the most frightening night of our life.
Yes, the most frightening fun.
But Mr. James, remember, come back quick, man.
You know, all alone in the swamp.
Swamp.
All them frightening songs, the strange songs.
Strange.
Darkness as far as the eye could see, or couldn't see.
Darkness.
You know, it's a good thing that dog would find us that night.
You remember that little dog there?
I know, must remember the dog. I know that saved his life, lead us out of the swamp.
Is who it belongs to again?
No one stray dog.
Yes, a stray dog. A little good stray dog. A little black good stray dog.
Brown.
Yes, brown. And black with a green stripe. So, how your mother?
Who? My mother?
Yes.
Why you ask me that question?
Me no know. Maybe me not look argument.
Della not dead 30 years ago when he was a little boy?
True. Sorry to
James,
hear.
Mr. James, can we get down to the matter at hand?
Yes. Let us get down to business, beef.
Yes, Lazar.
Now, as you know,
Yes.
I am a wealthy old man.
Oh, yes. No. Me never know that.
I've made wealth, a part of it, in Grenada. But you know, I haven't been keeping in very good health of late.
Oh, I am so sorry to hear.
And you are my only living blood relative left.
Yes, Lazar. Me alone.
You and the cat.
Yes. Me and the cat.
So, before I go to my maker, I'll
I'm going to do it.
No,
No,
me-
it's all right, it's all right.
put it here. I have a few things to pass on. You can go on. But first, I have something to ask of you, Beefhead. You have to promise me to take care of the cats.
No problem, man, no
I
problem.
am speaking to my grand-nephew.
No problem at all, Lazar. Me, we control the puss then.
What I mean by take care is you have to take them home to your yard and make them live with you.
All right.